Hi everyone. So in this lecture and this session, we are going to explain or to give some concepts and about algebra and variables as a review from grade 7. So what we mean by algebraic expression? In fact, an algebraic expression is an expression which contains variables and constants. Okay, it is a combination of variables and constants using arithmetics and algebraic operations like addition, subtraction. So as I said, it is easily we can say an algebraic expression. It is a combination of variables, constants, with some operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So, for example, this example 5x minus 3 is an algebraic expression where we have only two terms, okay? Because we know that the multiplication and the division doesn't mean that we are going to count another term or we are with another term. So normally 5x, it is only one term. Only the minus, the difference, and the addition, the sum, is a sign for beginning a new term. So each term can be composed with a coefficient, numerical part, and the variable. Okay, and could be without any variable, could be constant also. For example, they ask us if there are P marbles in each cup. So we have different cups, different cases, different examples. So if we know that we have a P marbles inside each cup, and we have alone a side of this cup, we have one marble. So how about counting? How we use the algebraic expression to count or to compute the total number of marbles in each of the following diagrams. So normally we have a P. So 1 is the number of cup. We have a 1 cup, which contains P marbles. So 1 by P plus the marble, which is lonely aside. Here, for example, in each one we have a P, we have a P, we have a P, we have 3 cups. So normally it is a 3 by P, it is a 3P. Here, for example, we have a 3P and we have a 3 marbles aside. And what about simplifying? It is very easy to simplify an algebraic expression. For example, 3mm, so 3 times m times m. We know that m by m, when we multiply m in the same term, the same letter, 2 times, we will obtain m squared, the square of m, by 3 without adding, without writing the multiplication sign. So 3m squared, here we have a 5a plus 3k, q, and so on. What about the insertion of multiplication signs? It is very easy because 3p, we mean 3q. 3p, sorry, when we were it is the 3p. M squared, we have a m by m. 6pq, it is a 6 times p times q. It is easy to insert multiplication signs, it's not big deal. How about simplifying the followings like p plus p plus p? It is different a little bit from p times p times p, which will give us p cube. Here we will obtain 1p plus 1p plus 1p will obtain 3p only. We add the coefficient because they are like terms. Here, the multiplication of any terms, okay, by 0 is easily a 0. And when we multiply a letter by the unit, we'll obtain it as identical terms, like a z. Easily to evaluate an algebraic expression, we need to know the values of the variables. So normally, we mean by variable that this variable can be anything. So we use the substitution way. If m equal to 3 and n equal to 4, we easily replace m by 3 in the expression and n by 4. For example, mn is like n times, okay, 4 will obtain 12. Here, for example, it is 7 by 3 minus 3 by 4, or we'll obtain 21 minus 12 equal to 9. Moving on to the using the division sign in a algebraic expression. T divided by 2, we can write it as T over 2 as a fraction, and 4W divided by 7, we can use it by 4W divided by 7, like this as a fraction. And also, we can convert from a fraction to algebraic expression as K divided by 3, add 3E divided by 4, and so on, by inserting a division sign. And also, we can use the substitution way in any fraction given as an algebraic expression, like to, for example, substitute and to replace the variable by the given constants by its value. Like we can replace easily, for example, in the exercise A, p pi of 4 and q pi 5 in the algebraic expression to obtain its value. So normally 24 divided by p equal to 4, so we divide 24 by 4 to obtain a 6. And also in the E, here we multiply, first of all, numerator, 5 by P, 5 by 4, and we divided, secondly, by 2 times Q times 5. And we can simplify from numerator then denominator to obtain 4 over 2, and the simplified form, or we can divide it, simplified form of 4 over 2, or the reduced form is 2. So easy. In the exercise 9, also, it is very easy to use the substitution way. Only we want to replace P and Q by 7 and 3, respectively. And the same for the exercise 10. So these are the important idea that we need to know and to revise from about the algebraic expression. Hope I could help you and I helped you with these information. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.